cordial greeting with all of you. I'm Nathalie Saavedra Salazar. I'm from Lille, and today I want to share with you about the all the things that I can learn, and I love all the proposals about Jaime and Kahima. He is from Peru, and we had the opportunity to work or maybe to listen him and take an advantage or maybe take some important information about their topic. He told us about some the real what is more about the culturality. So he explained that the cultural way is an important aspect to learn English or maybe to communicate in other languages. He had an opportunity to work with United States teachers, with students to this his university, and also with the university to the United States. So he told us about that experience, how about the challenges, the opportunity, the strengths that she found in that process. Maybe when he talked about the important to plan some classes that led students to want to communicate in English, to use their communicative skills to communicate all that they are learning, all that they need. So I really love this experience. He was so interesting for me, and it opened my mind to make some research or maybe some activities like him. Thank you for watching.